Welcome to the K3 Pebblestone PDM demo video for Assembly BOM requirement calculation. This functionality is part of the K3 Pebblestone PDM app. Within the Assembly BOM requirement calculation, it is possible to calculate the materials needed for a collection. This feature is specifically created to support the manufacturing light scenario. The brand owner is partly involved in the production of the collection, but the actual production is done by a third party. The consumption output of the materials can be done through 1. The Assembly BOM requirement sheet. 2. The purchase order creation of the materials. The requirement calculation can be based on sales orders or purchase orders of the collection. All sorts of filters on items, sales lines or purchase lines can be set to create the requirement calculation. The notification shows that 4 items are not part of the requirement calculation. If you click on Yes, the user can see which items are not included and take action to check what is wrong with the listed items and fix it. By clicking on the quantity, the matrix behind the material line is opened and the needed materials per colour is shown. The Assembly BOM requirement sheet shows the totals of the required materials. With the Boolean Show Ready-Made Garments, it is possible to include the item information on one report. The ready-made garments 10004 Polo Uni 10201 T-shirt Polo Print. Materials: yarn, including vendor number, vendor item number, unit of measure and total quantity needed to produce the polo T-shirts. Button 13mm, fabric, brand label, size label unisex, transfer label, the purchase order's creation of the required materials. Go to Create Purchase Orders. The 3 purchase orders for the materials are created. This is an example of the created purchase order. That's it in this episode. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks again, and see you next time.